Okay, once you've done the orientation unit, then this unit will come up. So let's check out and see what it has. So first of all, there's a checklist, and it just goes over a list of things that you need to accomplish. So this little unit needs to be done by February 16th because that's when we start the next unit. So here we have the grammar review and diagnostic. So you want to take a look at this. This just basically tells you how important grammar is, and you need to go to the No Red Ink website and use this code and create an account. This is where we're going to do all of our grammar practice, review, and lessons here on this site. So it just has a step-by-step way to make an account, and your first assignment will be the diagnostic grammar test, and then you can take a look at that and see what other help you need for grammar. One other way to navigate the course is through this little pull-out menu here. So I can go to the next page, and here's a page all about punctuation and some advice on how to use various types of punctuation, and your challenge is to go to the No Red Ink website and do the practice punctuation diagnostic there. So figure out whether or not you know your punctuation. Right, so the next page is called Listening to Hear, and this is a group of podcasts based around writing. And some of them are interviews with writers, and some are just flat out advice for people who are writing. So you're going to choose a podcast, and you can access it in various ways, including from your phone. And then you're going to select the best advice that this podcast has to offer. Write a paragraph about it. Include the link to the podcast, the episode, and the date that it was published. And include a strategy that you have been using for a while in your writing. This is one that you have tried and found very successful and useful for yourself. Share this on our podcast writing advice discussion board, and then reply to at least 2 classmates' posts. Your interaction in our discussion boards is very important. This is your course participation. And as everything you do in this course, it will count towards your final mark. So it's very important that you pay attention and follow all of the instructions. This next page is all about WriteLab, and we're going to use this writing diagnostic program to help us become better writers. I will have sent you an invitation from WriteLab to come to our class there, and you are going to make an account and register there, and then you're going to go to the writing diagnostic assignment that's posted there. So you can view this assignment from the dashboard or the assignments page from our class. So make sure that you're in our class and doing this particular assignment, otherwise I won't see anything that you're doing. So then you're going to make the editing changes that the program has suggested, and then I'm going to look at it and make a few more suggestions if necessary. So we're doing this because editing is one of our expectations in the curriculum. So we really need to become effective editors. And the only way to do that is by practicing. And you really need to get to know what kind of writer you are, and the only way to do that is by practicing. And really taking a close look at how you write so that you can improve it. And then just down below here is some information about how to access that assignment. I also have a link here to all of the tutorials on WriteLab in case you need it. Alright, so that's this little unit, and let's aim for February 16th to have this done, because that's when we'll open up the next unit.
Total? Have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.